Hello students, let us see this question here. The potential energy of a particle of mass m is given as this, okay, and the lambda 1 and lambda 2 are the de Broglie wavelength of the particle, where in this region and in this region you have to, okay, in these two regions the de Broglie wavelengths are given respectively. If the total energy of the particle is 2 E naught, then find the lambda 1 upon lambda 2. So let us first go for this region, that is from 0 less than equal to 1 in this region. So in this region the potential energy is given E naught and the total energy is this. So what will the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is equal to total energy minus potential energy. So total energy is 2 E naught minus potential energy is E naught. So you will get here E naught. So obviously if you know the kinetic energy, then you will get the wavelength here. So lambda 1 is the wavelength, that is h upon 2mk. Kinetic energy is E naught, so E naught of root of this. Okay. So particle of mass is given m, so that is m. All right. So let us go for the next region, that is x greater than 1. So in this region C, the once again I can apply here kinetic energy is equal to total energy minus potential energy. So total energy is how much given? 2 E naught, so that will be 2 E naught only, minus the potential energy in this region is how much given? 0. So that will become 0 here. So that becomes 2 E naught. Alright. So the kinetic energy I know now. So the wavelength, so the wavelength lambda 2 will be equal to h upon 2m. And the kinetic energy C is 2 E naught. So this will become 2 E naught root of this. Now, so this is the equation 1, let us call, and this is the equation 2. Okay. Now it is asking what is the ratio of lambda 1 upon lambda 2. So lambda 1 upon lambda 2 is equal to, so right, you can say h upon 2m E naught root divided by the lambda 2 is this, so that is h upon 2m into 2 E naught root. So this will get cancelled out and this abbreviated, so this will get cancelled out. So this will become lambda, if you do the calculation here, obviously 2m root will get cancelled out, E naught root will also get cancelled out. So you get here 2 root 1 minus 1, 2 root 2 upon 1. Because this 2m will get cancelled out, E naught will get cancelled out, these 2 will remain left, so root 2 upon 1. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.